Hello friends, welcome back to Asad Explains. Today I'm going to talk about this book which I read 2 years back, and this book is called Tuesdays with Morrie by Mitch Albom. This is one of the first books which I have read. 2 years back when I was looking for a book to read, I went into a bookstore and picked up this book only because this was a small and thin book. I went into this book with no expectations, and even the tagline, an old man, a young man and life's greatest lesson, didn't tip me off to the subject matter. But I was extremely impressed by the quality of writing and storytelling, and also the fact that this is a memoir masquerading as a novel. This book, Tuesdays with Morrie, is about Morrie Shorts, who is a professor of sociology, and Mitch Albom, who was his student, and for a long time they both fell out of touch until Morrie was diagnosed with ALS. When Mitch got to know about his professor's illness, he decided to meet him, and then they started meeting on every Tuesdays. Majority of this book is based on the transcripts of their conversations together which he recorded, and that's mind-blowing to me. In this book, author describes last few days of his professor's life and how he used to meet him, and how in those meetings the professor would impart important life lessons to Mitch regarding every aspect of life. They talk about world, about life, death, about regrets, family, emotions, about the fear of aging, about money, and so many more such things. Basically all those things which we think about or maybe worry about in our daily lives, but most of us don't have anyone to talk to about these things. This may sound cliche, but honestly it's not. This book is lovely and it's very emotional as well. Throughout the book you feel connected to Professor Morrie, and this connection keeps you glued till the end and leaves you with a sense of peace and comfort, and sometimes in tears too. The most beautiful thing about this book is that it's also about a beautiful bond shared by a student and a teacher, which is very rare in this day and age. And to be completely honest with you guys, in today's world we lack that kind of relationship with our teachers. It has become a lot more commercial, if that's the right word. But yeah, it lacks that emotional element to it, guys. I genuinely feel that, and from both the sides. I honestly felt that I wish I could get a teacher like Morrie in my life. He's such a brilliant man, and given that he was a real life person, that is not just a fictional character, makes him much more lovable. Every student wants to have a teacher like Morrie whose teachings about real world transcends the classroom, but I think we read about such teachers only in stories, and it's very difficult to find them in real life. But yeah, Morrie was one such teacher. Even though I never met him in my life, I feel connected to this man. I definitely want to meet someone like Morrie. Throughout the book, Mitch describes his meetings with Morrie in his last days, and what Morrie tells him about his experiences, what he is learning by being on the deathbed, and what he thinks that people in the world should care about, and also the things that people in the world should not be worried about. So guys, in this video I just wanted to talk about this book which I absolutely love, and I recommend everyone to read this book at least once, and even if you have read this book, then definitely read it again. I'm leaving an Amazon link in the description. Go check it out if you want to purchase it. I would say go buy it and read it, and then come back and tell me whether you liked it or not. If you liked this video, then give a big thumbs up. And if you love to talk, discuss and listen about books, then do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so when I come up with another bookish video, you'll be notified. Take care. Happy reading.